Hi, welcome back to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking hard-boiled eggs in the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. I know that sounds like it's a little bit boring and you already know how to cook hard-boiled eggs, but I'm telling you this tip is going to change your life. I love hard-boiled eggs and I love to always have some in the refrigerator for quick on-the-go snacks. But one thing I don't like about hard-boiled eggs is having to cook them on the stovetop. They never seem to come out perfectly and you always have to wait for the water to boil, turn down the heat, and then hope you get the timing just right. If you use the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker, it takes all of that guesswork away. Let it come up to pressure and in only 8 minutes, you have perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs every time. Because no one likes a rotten egg. So let's get started making our hard-boiled eggs in our Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. All you have to do is put a cup of water in the bottom, place your trivet into the inner pot, along with a dozen or however many eggs you want, put the lid on, lock, turn it to pressure mode, put the timer to 8 minutes, let it come to pressure, and then do an immediate release.
Many of you have mentioned that you're a little bit apprehensive about doing an immediate release, but don't worry, that wasn't so scary, was it? And in about 10 minutes, you have perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. To ensure that our eggs don't overcook, we want to quickly but gently remove the eggs from the inner pot and place them in an ice-cold water bath. This helps to stop the cooking process so we get the exact desired temperature of the egg that we're looking for. Let the eggs completely cool in the ice bath until they're no longer warm to the touch.
And voila, you have the perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg. So whether you crack one open for a quick snack,
slice them for deviled eggs, or chop them up for egg salad, you will always have beautiful yellow yolks.
Here's to perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs in the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time on Crock-Pot Empire.
If you like this video, please go give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode. And don't forget to visit me on my blog at crockpotempire.com.